Now today we're going to be going through our top 5 slowest vehicles we have ever tested here at Ross Reviews. And when I say slow, these things are about as slow gets. And some of these vehicles I can guarantee you've never even heard of. So let's get into this video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. This is number 5. So here we have the 80 series Land Cruiser, and this has the legendary 1HD FT straight 6 turbo diesel. And it may only put out 155 horsepower, about 265 pound-feet of torque. But these things in the 4x4 scene are absolutely legendary. It's got a 4-speed auto. This one had a 2-inch lift. It had some big rubber. Might have helped it be slow, but my goodness, this thing was fun off-road. So here is the 0 to 100. I'm just going to leave this thing in drive. I'll hit the power button on. Here we go. And the cloud of... Oh man, I cannot believe. Oh my god, are we on fire? Are we on fire? I swear to God. Holy shit. My goodness, we fully just clouded this road. Like, you couldn't even see in the rear view, it was just clouds.
How dare you?
Oh, mate. 0 to 100, guys, was done in 17.9 seconds. And holy crap, that is, yeah, it felt like it was that long. It took forever to get this thing to 100 with the power button on. You know, look, if you went from low second to drive, you might have sped it up fractionally, but guys, this thing is not fast. That's not the point of this vehicle. Now, coming in at number 4, this is none other than the Barazuzu. This was featured only a couple of months ago, and it is essentially an Isuzu truck that has had a Bara engine swap. So that's a 4-liter, naturally aspirated, straight 6 Bara engine out of an old XT Falcon. And this thing is powering a truck now. Still got a 4-speed BTR, and this thing, it still did a 0 to 100. I don't know how, but this is the result. Alrighty, we're going to test the 0 to 100 here. We'll reset the draggy once you're done your stop. Yep.
Good to go?
Good to go. Go, 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 go. Barazuzu! Barazuzu the world! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! 90! Keep 94, 96, 98, 100! Hey! You wanna know what the time was?
Yeah.
What do you think?
30-something seconds?
Hey, not far off. It was quicker though.
Was it?
28.97.
Wow.
Barazuzu, eh? Oh man. That is awesome, guys. I knew you guys would be complaining if we didn't do that test, so yep. 28.97 seconds. Now, just before we continue with this list, guys, we are sponsored by DDPi dash cams today. And honestly, if you need an inexpensive dash cam, this could be the best solution for you, because these things are 80 bucks on Amazon. They're going to be having a Black Friday sale. So we'll leave a link for them. Click it down below. And this is just inexpensive. Rig it up to your windscreen and forget about it, guys. And honestly, guys, it's just the simple form factor. Like, look how tiny this camera is. Again, pull off the strip, stick it on your window, adjust. It's all through your phone on an app with Wi-Fi, and it records. Pop a little memory card in here, and this thing will just auto capture every time. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. This one is gonna be given away, and all you're gonna have to do to win this is be subscribed, hit the like button, and comment what was my first car I ever owned. I've said it before, so OG people will get this. Huge thanks to DDPi. Again, Black Friday sale. Click the link down below. This is a really good dash cam, quick and easy to use. Let's get back into this list. Now coming in at number 3, this one really trumps the list with just, you've probably, most likely, 90% sure, you've never heard of this thing. It is a Oka, and these things are hand-built here in WA. They are a mega, massive off-road behemoth, monster, just ginormous, America, go and get 'em type truck. You know what I mean? And this particular one, it had a straight 6 Cummins, 5-speed manual. It's a diesel, obviously, and 230 horsepower roughly, but around 800 to 900 Newton meters. So, yeah, this thing was torquey. It's an off-road base, but it's a 30-year-old truck. And doing a 0 to 100, it made it, but yeah, wasn't easy. 2, 1, go. Second. And third. Come on. And fourth. Come on. And foot is flat to the floor, guys. 90. And 100. I am not even going to attempt to try and put it into 5th because it is a struggle. You know, this is a 30-year-old gearbox, and you really got to be kind of delicate with it and make sure you're in gear. Yeah, it's a workout, that is for sure, and you definitely need a long runway to get to 100. But she will do it. This was actually on the dyno and topped out at 147 kilometers per hour. So for a vehicle of this size, that is bloody impressive, I'd say.
You have stolen my
now,
dreams.
0 to 100, guys, there, as you could imagine, 33.6 seconds. And I'm going to have to check because this might be the slowest 0 to 100 we've ever done. Now, continuing down the list, we are at number 2, and this is none other than the Daihatsu Hi-Jet. And this is about as polar opposite to the Oka as opposite can get, because this little truck, again, it's like under a ton. It's got a 3-cylinder under the seat that makes about 50 horsepower. It's got a 5-speed manual, and it's out of Japan. It's a little K truck. This thing is just cute. It's funny, and it does do 100. So let's find out what that time actually was. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We're gonna stop, and let's hope it gets to it. Go, 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 go. Come on. 60. Let's go. We're in 4th. Come on. 75. 80. Come on, we're 93. We're going to do it. We're going to get 100 this time. Let's go. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100! Yo! Let me tell you guys, when we did this test, the CVT automatic would not go past 98. We were starting to struggle. I could see when we hit 98, it's almost a wall. So it was like 98, still 98, 99, 98, and then it went 99, 100. And it was like, yeah, look, honestly, guys, 100K is an hour. It'll do it, this one especially. But, yeah, let's see what the time actually was. So we've stopped, and I'm looking at the phone now. And I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, 35.89 seconds validated, the Draggy. 35.89 seconds, so that's just crazy. We've got some other stats here I can show you as well. We did the quarter mile in 23.2 seconds. That's just crazy. Yeah. Hi-Jet. Now finally, what we have all been waiting for, officially the slowest vehicle we have ever tested here on Ross Reviews, 0 to 100. It is none other than the Suzuki Carry. And this again, everyone, it is a JDM K truck from Japan. Again, 3-cylinder under the seat, 50 horsepower. But this particular one had a full little truck bed, I guess, or little box on the back of it. And that just must have slowed it down. It was an automatic as well, a CVT. And this thing was just comical. I cannot believe it even made it to 100 kilometers per hour. But as the video shows, it sure did.
This is the true hard gripping facts that we all want to know. How fast does a Suzuki Carry K-car truck do 0 to 100? So here we are. We've got the draggy set. It's reset. Let's flat foot this girl. 3, 2, 1. We're off. Go, go Suzuki, go! Go Suzuki, go! Come on, Carry, come on! 80! Come on! 90, oh, not 90 yet, come on! Oh my goodness, this is scary. 95! Come on, hurry! Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that took that long. Oh, let's have a look at the draggy. Oh my goodness, this did a 0 to 100, 36.2 seconds. That is, without a doubt, the single most slowest car I have had by a mile on the channel. 36 seconds. I had to double check that because I thought that was a mistake. It's not. It was 0 to 100, 36 seconds, and it took just about the bloody whole road to achieve 100 kilometers an hour. Yeah, it is not quick in the slightest.
So that is the top 5 slowest vehicles we have ever tested here on Ross Reviews, 0 to 100. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you enjoyed the top 10 fastest vehicles we've ever done, 0 to 100. So we're going to do some more. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. And hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on that next video. Take care.